So, eto na nga, nag-decide ang pamilya to have a little getaway just for a day trip to Itogon, Benguet, where Mount Kalisong is located, a very popular tourist destination at the moment. So, if you're planning to go for a holiday in Baguio, don't forget to have a side trip in Itogon, Benguet. It's really worth the trip. So, ito na nga. While driving, we need to look for a stopover to at least have a coffee. Then, we saw this cafe, which is just along the road. It's called Cafe Stella. So, nag-decide kami to stop over for a coffee break. But before we have our coffee, naglibot-libot muna kami to check ang kapaligiran. Napakaganda ng tanawin, tahimik, malinis, at kaaya-aya. It's one of a kind and it's really highly recommended for travelers going to Baguio and Mount Kalisong. They also have the cabin for accommodation for those who wants to relax or have an overnight stay kapag pagod na kayo sa pamamasyal. Maganda ang accommodation, malinis, kaaya-aya, maganda ang tanawin overlooking the mountain, the forest, the hills, and having some fresh air while looking on your window. Don't ask me about the price at baka malula ka. So, lakad lang ng lakad, tingin-tingin, napakalawak ng lugar, napakalinis, ang ganda talaga. It's worth a visit. So, what are you waiting for? Magplano na ng holiday sa Baguio. Pumunta ng Itugon at mag-stop over sa Cafe Stella. So, yon, naghanap na kami ng mauupuan para makapag-order na ng kape.
Doon pala sa baba.
Habang naghahanap, of course, video, picture. Alam mo na, pag nasa ibang lugar ka at vlogger ka or content creator, ang number one purpose mo sa pamamasyal ay ang mag-vlog. At syempre, para meron ka ring memories na pwede mong balik-balikan sakali mang malungkot ka o nangungulila. Picture dito, picture doon, picture everywhere. Video dito, video doon, video everywhere. So ayan, pumasok na nga kami kasi syempre nasa loob ang restaurant. Tingin-tingin kung anong pwedeng makita and we decided to go down para doon kami sa pwesto na maraming nakikita, may preskong hangin at masarap maupo para magkape. Yung tipo, feel mo, higupin ang malamig na kape o kung ang order mo naman ay juice o any cold drinks, ganon din. Dagdagan mo ng pagsubo ng anumang sweets or any kind of food that you can order from the restaurant. So, ayun, nakahanap na kami ng mapupwestuhan. Ang ganda talaga ng lugar na to. Grabe, sulit ang aming pag-stop over. Napakaganda ng lugar. Oh, ayan. Bumababa na ang mga kapamilya para pumwesto. Isa-isa nang naghahanap ng kanilang mauupuan. Ako, eto, busy pa rin na nagvi-video. Diba? Mga parang ayaw nang magkape. Gusto na lang yata, maglibot na lang sila. Napakaganda naman kasi ng tanawin. Maubos ang oras mo. There you go, Steve-O. You're tired? Naupo na siya. Pagod na sa kalalakad. Yan. Sige, hala. Mag-order ka na habang busy pa kami na nagvi-video at nagpi-picture dito. Oh, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Habang naglilibot kami at naghihintay kung ano ang mga o-orderin, magplano na kayo na bumisita sa Baguio, pumunta ng Itugon at mag-stop over sa Cafe Stella for a little bit of a rest and relax. Bye for now, but keep watching para malaman nyo kung gaano kaganda ang Cafe Stella. At kung hindi man kayo makarating, at least napanood nyo at nag-virtual viewing na kayo. Keep watching for you to see the cabin for accommodation, which is really nice. Magandang pagpahingahan at tulugan. Nandyan din makikita ninyo ang coffee at mga cakes na in-order namin. It's really nice. A little bit pricey, but it's worth it. They also have food to order for lunch or whatever you want. Okay, bye for now. See you on my next vlog. Oh, okay. Pakita natin sa kanila. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God, I love it.
Very good. I like it.
Yeah.
Separated.
It's very nice. Yeah, it is.
Nice drink.
Yeah, mine's nice.
KP, what's yours?
Caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato.
Nakakata ko lang yung...
Ito po yung name.